Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to track and manage your shipments. Go to Maersk.com. To track a shipment, you don't need to be logged in, but if you are, you'll be able to access more information. So let's do that now. Choose Tracking from the top menu. Simply choose your booking type and enter the bill of lading or container number. If you don't have this on hand, you can find them in your shipment overview. Now you can see the current status of your shipment and each step on its journey until now. If you'd like more information, click View Shipment Details. Here you can see any pending or upcoming tasks you still need to complete, like submitting your shipment instructions or VGM. If you head to the Shipments tab in your Hub dashboard, you can see all your upcoming shipments, and from here you can filter and sort by pending tasks or relevant dates. And if you select a shipment, you can see all the details. Click on More in the top right to amend, cancel, or create a ticket if needed. Back in your Hub dashboard, you will also see a tab for Partners, where you can add your importing or exporting partners for easy collaboration on tasks and to make your booking process even faster. You can also add customs clearance to your bookings through the My Customs tab. Filter by export or import, to, from, destination, or status to quickly find what you need. Click on Show Prices to see the customs clearance options available for a shipment. This is also where you can manage your customs clearance tasks after adding it to your booking. Now you know where to find tasks and upload key documents, connect your partners to your bookings, and track your shipments all in one place on your Maersk.com hub. Thanks for watching. Follow us on LinkedIn to stay ahead of your logistics journey.